Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Another poem number 2, Night Mail. This is the night mail crossing the border, bringing the check and the postal order, letters for the rich, letters for the poor, the shop at the corner, the girl next door, pulling up bitock, a steady climb, the gradients against her, but she's on time, past cotton grass and moorland boulder, shoveling white steam over her shoulder. Snorting noisily she passes, silent miles of wind-bent grasses, birds turn their heads as she approaches, stare from bushes at her blank-faced coaches. Sheepdogs can't turn her course, they slumber on with paws across. In the form she passes on. No one wakes, but a jug in the bedroom gently shakes. This is the night mail. Now the train's name is Night Mail. Why it is night mail? Because it travels at the night time and it carries the letters, checks and postal order. Letters for the rich, letters for the poor. It is carrying the letters for the rich people and for the poor people. The shop at the corner, the girl next door. Also the letter for the shopkeeper who is having shop at the corner and the girl living next to him. Pulling up bitock, a steady climb. Now it is passing upon Bitock, a town name of a town in England, a steady climb, and it is passing on a steep climb, steady climb, a climb which is having consistent slope, and it is passing up. The gradients against her, but she is on time. Sometimes the ascending area, sometimes the descending area is in front. Gradient, ascending and descending with a uniform slope against it. But she is on time, but she is always on time. Past cotton grass, कहाँ से गुजरती है? कपास के खेत के पास से, and moorland and ग्रासी लैंड्स के पास से गुजरती है. मूरलैंड बंजर ज़मीन हैविंग नथिंग ऑन इट ग्रोन, एंड इट passes through the area which is having round small stones. Shoveling white steam over her shoulder, it is throwing steam on its shoulder. Shoulder means at its back. Snorting noisily she passes. अब कैसे? खराटे भरती हुई, आवाज़ें निकालती हुई she passes. Silent miles of wind bent grasses. Silent miles, it is night time, there is silence and it is passing through the wind bent grasses. ऐसी ग्रास जो हवा की वजह से या इसके गुजरने की वजह से जो प्रेशर बनता है उसकी वजह से झुक जाती है ग्रास, और it is passing through it. Birds turn their heads as she approaches. अब परिंदे इसकी तरफ मुड़कर देखते हैं जैसे ये पहुंचती है. Stare from bushes, झांकते हैं झाड़ियों से. At her blank faced coaches, इसके खाली डब्बों पर. Blank faced coaches, its carriages are blank faced, means having no human figure in it because it is a night mail. Sheepdogs can't turn her course. Even the dogs, sheepdog, भेड़ों के साथ चलने वाले कुत्ते जो उनको ट्रैक पे करते हैं, can't turn its course, can't change its path. They slumber, they are deep sleep, having deep sleep. On with paws across, अपने पंजों के ऊपर पंजे रखे हुए वो गहरी नींद सोए हुए हैं. इन दी फॉर्म शी पासिस, कहाँ से गुजरती है? फॉर्म से गुजरती है, खेत से गुजरती है. नो वन वेक्स, बट देयर इज़ नो वन हु लाइक्स टू वेक अप, बट अ जग इन अ बेडरूम जेंटली शेक्स. लेकिन एक जग एक बेडरूम में हल्के से हिलता है. सो नाइट मेल इज़ ऑन इट्स ड्यूटी and it reaches in time. It is creating noise, but its noise is not disturbing anyone. Even the sleeping people in their homes remain slept, and the dog, even the dog, sheepdog, is not awake because of it. It is so steady and continuous in its movement. W.H. Auden has written this poem. He was a great poet born in 1907, and he was educated at Oxford and taught in England and Scotland.